Picture a school with one big classroom that holds all students grades 1 through 8. This might not be an issue if you had a small number of students, but as you can imagine, if there are a lot of kids, it would be complicated and crowded. Take these same kids and give each grade its own classroom. Now they have a protected space that's all theirs. It helps keep things separate, organized, and simple. It just makes sense. These classroom options could be compared to a network. By default, Cisco Business Switches also start out having one broadcast domain, VLAN 1. This is one community space, like the large classroom. When a broadcast message gets sent out, it interrupts all, even if it only applies to a few. If a network is small, this can work fine, but as a network grows, it can get complicated. That's where VLANs come in. VLANs are a way to split your network into different segments, like each grade getting its own room. This has many benefits. With VLANs, switches only have to send multicast messages to the applicable group instead of broadcast to everyone. This saves resources on the switch. VLANs can keep sensitive information protected. For example, if data needs to be kept private, like in an accounting department, an accounting VLAN could allow exclusive access to a server that contains all the confidential information needed for their job. With a VLAN, changes are simple. New settings can be applied directly to a specific VLAN while not affecting the others. One of the greatest perks of a VLAN is that they're built on logical connections rather than physical ones. This means you could have that same accounting VLAN available to employees located on several different floors of the building. So if someone changes departments within the company, their desk can stay right where it was, keeping things simple. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to create VLANs on a Cisco Business Switch. To get started, log into your switch. Navigate to VLAN Management and select VLAN Settings. Since you've not added VLANs yet, you should only see the default VLAN, VLAN 1. To create an additional VLAN, click the Add icon. Enter a VLAN ID. I'll use 3, but you can choose any number from 2 to 4094. Name the VLAN in the VLAN name field. I'll name this VLAN Test. To enable your VLAN, ensure the box next to VLAN interface state has a check mark. If it does not, simply click on the box to add it. Select Apply to save the changes, then click Close to exit. On my VLAN table, you can see that VLAN 3 with the name Test has now been added to my network. From here, you can choose to add more VLANs and then assign ports to VLANs. If you're new to VLANs, check out the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.